Mr. Childers, what do you think about Bud's so far?
My kind of place. Good prices, good food, good people. Can't beat it.
That's a fact. Y'all look at these prices. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? So we're going to tell you how good the burgers are here in a minute. This is right down from where Jenny lives, where we got our 4 hubcaps. Woohoo! 5, that's right, 5. She gave us an extra one.
Yep. So we'll be able to help somebody else out.
That's right.
That's what it's all about out here, helping somebody else out.
That's it.
Well, good. Go Ramblers.
That's it. It's just a simple burger with pickles and onions, mustard, ketchup, and cheese. It tastes really good. Mm-hmm. What do you think, Mr. Childers?
Oh, yeah, the best.
And you get a bag of chips. Woohoo! And a drink. And a drink. All right. Awesome. So, if y'all are ever in Sedalia, Colorado, stop in at Bud's and have you a nice burger.
Bud's was awesome. Got to know one of the girls who's been there for a while behind the bar. It's been
Robin.
3 owners in the little place, and
in the whole 70 years.
Whole 70 years of existence of Bud's. So that's pretty cool. You love to see stuff like that and to carry on the traditions. It's just the way it was back then. Cheap prices, and the food's really good. Simple old burger, but it's really good. It's all hand done. It's just the care.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything was good. It was fresh. Pickles, onions, everything right there. But this is cool too. We get to see some of this kind of stuff around town. This is a general store right around the corner from Bud's. Look on top up there. That's a cowboy farmer motorcycle.
Look at it. It's got a tractor seat. That's funny. No, I'm good.
It's pretty good. Got a little wheel on the front. That's pretty cool. Hey, you can't beat these small towns. It's really cool.
You can come around the block and park right here by the railroad tracks.
Yeah, free parking all over.
Exactly.
Yeah, pretty easy to get your rig in. Places like this is Americana, guys.
That's it. That's it. This is where the real people are. Yep. Good afternoon. How y'all doing? We ate lunch at Bud's Bar and Grill. And honey, let me tell you, that was a delicious hamburger. And we are camping in the woods once again, but this time for free. We are in Rampart Recreational Area, mostly for mini bikes. The road coming in is a little rough. It's washboard. And we came back in here about 5 miles. We had a little problem. Y'all see my hand? It's ink. Our printer fell off the shelf. Yep, our printer fell off. It's the first time. But that's okay. Hey, I'm going to show you here in a bit why we were in this area. Look at why we were here. We found 4 brand new.
Not brand new, but
they're, hey.
They're as tight as brand new ones, I'll tell you. They're tough to get on.
They are awesome.
They don't rattle around like ours do. Ours did. We're rattling around. Them don't move. Yeah.
Don't they look so good? Even with the gray. Wow, they look awesome.
Yep.
Now we're thinking about having the wheels chromed. That looks so good. Look at this. I'm going to get up and personal here.
Dirty right there. We'll be on a dusty road.
Ooh, look how pretty that is. Man, I can see the shadow of the tree in that. Man, I love that. Wow. Here comes somebody else coming on up in here. But we are on site 12. Morning. How are y'all? This is the end of September. Y'all hear the birds in the background? How cool is that? We are leaving Rampart and going down to Penrose BLM land. Couple things about this place. During the week, it's fantastic. Very few motorbikes. The road is washboard. There's more traffic on the road during the week than there is on the little trail for the bikes. Okay? And there's no service out here to upload videos. You have to go into town, which is about a 50-mile round trip. There's no water out here unless you pay $7 at the Flat Rock park about a quarter of a mile up the road. Excuse me. This morning it's nice and quiet. Our generator is running. We're packing up, getting ready to go. Y'all give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. See ya.